Friends, good day. In this video, I want to reveal the truth about trading education and why some kinds of trading education does not lead to positive results. I will start with my own example. In 1999, I first came to the broker U-Trade, which later ceased to exist, and immediately got to the free training courses. I quickly realized that the knowledge offered there is useful not for me, but for the broker. I generate trades, orders, and pay a commission to the broker. The depth of this knowledge was minimal. Only superficial things about technical analysis, such as if one curve crosses another, buy. If it doesn't, sell. Something about moving averages and so on. I quickly came to the conclusion that I will not need such knowledge in trading. I bought all the books I could buy. Boxes full of books. Business literature about technical analysis, graphic analysis, fundamental analysis, and so on. I read all the books and realized that I don't have enough knowledge. Books are good, but it is not a complete training. And then I went to get a second higher education in financial management, and I became a certified financial analyst. My first degree was technical, my second was in finance. After that, I understood a lot of things. How a company's shares are valued, how derivatives work, and then I developed an interest in options. I was stunned by the opportunities that these instruments offer, by the strategies that can be built with them. In 2010, I started holding web conferences, inviting different traders to them, and at that time, there was already an analytical version of Option Lab, where any trader could build a strategy and evaluate risks, returns, and so on. These option web conferences were very popular, and then I started getting offers to organize seminars. In 2012 and 2013, I held several seminars for the Moscow Stock Exchange. These seminars were attended by more than 100 people. A seminar could last 5 or 6 hours. And Moscow Exchange helped with coffee breaks. And this was the first real knowledge that an option trader could get. I insisted that I was paid by the exchange for my time, and the exchange did, albeit without much of an enthusiasm. But the seminar should be free for participants. I started creating online options trading education courses, and they too found their popularity. And at the same time, I was offered to participate in the creation of the Moscow Exchange School, to which I, of course, agreed. I was the first teacher of this school. I conducted webinars, and I believe it was useful. I needed to get certificates to confirm my position as an asset manager and market maker and to show my knowledge to the examiner. I had several groups of learners. The course included 10 webinar sessions. And when the 6th group came along, I realized that I could not exceed the level of material and presentation. I formed the course, but it wasn't interesting to read it over and over again. The tuition money was good, but I can't do the same thing over and over again. There needs to be development. I turned all this material I had developed into several courses for online education, and anyone could buy the material. With the help of our Option Love Club, I've redesigned a couple of courses, and they're now available to AE Exchange customers and Option Lab users. There are even quizzes in there, so everything possible has been done with it. I believe this is the best option trading education material out there. It's not an advertisement, it's true. More than 1,000 people have completed the course, gave feedback. I refined the course as much as possible. And I've gotten a lot of appreciation. But what I want to talk about is this. Now there are a lot of different trading teachers, but they have very superficial knowledge. They have read some books, learned some things, and think that they can sell it to someone. Their courses have crazy names and crazy promises. Take the course and you earn 100% a month. You probably know it's easy to manipulate numbers in trading. There are strategies that can really show high results, but these teachers won't tell you anything about the risks. There are plenty of people who want high returns and they are willing to pay money for something like this. People who take these courses don't know how to assess risks and they will have to learn it from their own experience. And when people see what the risks can be, they realize that trading was not for them from the beginning. Earlier, I was asked by potential trainees, how much will I earn? How much will I earn after taking your courses? I refused to discuss this topic because it's not fair to deceive anyone. Options trading is a highly profitable and high-risk type of trading. I can promise anything, but the risks involved are huge. For example, if you go to study to become a surgeon, nobody promises you something like, study to become a surgeon and you will earn $1 million a month. That's nonsense. So my advice is to pay attention if you are promised some high profitability. This is a clear sign of deception. Another very important thing is who is your teacher. At university, you know a lot about your teacher, about his experience, maybe he has a scientific degree, maybe he's an author of a book, and so on. Here, it is the same situation. You have to find out if this person has a specialized financial education, if he has certificates, what is his real experience, background, and so on. Otherwise, it will turn out that you paid for promises and nothing else. And if you find some free courses organized by a broker, it is to attract clients. They will tell you trivial things about indicators and trend lines, so that you become a client of the broker and make profits for them. Sometimes technical analysis works, and I demonstrate it in my videos, but these things work as a rule, like the rules of the road. Green color, go, red, stop. It's the same in the stock market. Everyone knows these rules and work according to them. In trading, it's also important to have a specific advantage. If you have read 100 books, like tens of thousands of other traders, it does not mean that you have gained a competitive advantage. You need to have your own view of the market and your own trading strategy so that you don't become part of the crowd. Yes, option strategy is more complex than trading futures, stocks, simple buy-sell. Options allow you to generate income at any market condition. That's why I believe option trading is the best, smartest type of trading. But I say this from the perspective of 20 years of experience. It's up to you to decide how to trade and who to learn from. As always, ask questions in the comments. If this video was useful to you, put a like and subscribe to the channel. Suggest your topics for future videos. I wish you good luck and successful options trading.